Hello students, as I have already discussed about redox reaction, we know loss of electron is oxidation and gain of electron is reduction, and when both take place simultaneously, that is called redox reaction. What happens if we add copper rod in water? Is redox take place? Or if copper rod is dipped in silver nitrate solution, is redox take place? Or another example, copper rod is dipped in copper nitrate solution. What will happen? Just demonstrating this reaction by a screen, just watch it. Let us do an experiment of redox reaction. Students, we will take 3 flasks and pour in it distilled water. We check electrical conductivity of all 3 flasks. It shows negative electrical conductivity because they have no free ions. Now we add silver nitrate solution in second flask and stirring it with glass rod to mix properly, and in third flask we will add copper nitrate solution and also mix it properly with glass rod. Now we have 3 flasks. First have distilled water, second have silver nitrate, and third have copper nitrate solution. Now again we check electrical conductivity of all 3 flasks. First have no electrical conductivity because they have no any ions. Second will show electrical conductivity because it have free ions of silver and nitrate. Third also show electrical conductivity because it have also copper ion and nitrate ions. Now we put copper coil in all of 3 flasks and left it for a few minutes and observing it. We are observing that first flask and third flask have no any reaction, but reaction is taking place in second flask, that means silver nitrate solution. We know copper is more reactive than silver nitrate, so displacement reaction takes place. First have water, copper do not react with distilled water, and in third have copper nitrate, and so copper cannot replace itself copper. Now we are observing all 3 copper coil by removing flask. Second have we are observing that there are outer layer formed above copper wire. We know that displacement reaction had take place. Copper displaces silver and form copper nitrate ion, copper nitrate compound, and Ag deposited on that copper coil. Again we check electrical conductivity. They show electrical conductance because they have free ions. Second have now free ions, not silver but it is copper because silver has been deposited over copper coil. We are looking here, we are removing accumulation from copper rod, that is the powder form is silver powder which has been deposited over copper rod. A closer view of the reaction here, how can reaction is taking place inside the silver nitrate solution with copper rod. Copper is dissolving in solution and silver is simultaneously depositing over copper coil. Okay, students, I think you have understood the redox reaction and displacement reaction. Thank you.